First, okay. Yeah, they want an oil change first. Then when they're done, they'll get their car washed, and then they'll drive their clean car home. Is that a good idea?
How didn't do the towel wash?
I'll turn the hose on and we can spray them off. With the hose.
Yeah, put the towel.
Oh, I gotta get the hose.
Oh, turn the water.
Turn the hose on.
Your mammy's gonna turn it on.
Oh, turn it even wetter.
Wetter. Gotta get even wetter.
That's right, even wetter.
Already wet.
It's already
Oh, I
wetter.
didn't even see you down there.
Already wetter. It's already wetter.
How you good looking?
It's
Heavy, heavy.
already
You look too young to have kids.
I want them to do the oil change.
Do your oil change.
How? How I wanted them to do this?
You have to have little tools.
But also cool.
I know some little tools from your playset. I don't know if they'll work though.
They won't.
Could make them work.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that.
How we then get them?
Stuff will do whatever you want it to do.
No, take a picture of you. No, take a picture of you.
Not taking a picture of you.
He knows better.
Ah, you break my camera.
No, taking pictures. Not taking pictures.